This is our room. It's so blue. Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. And if you follow me, I travel with my family, and I'm gonna show you today room 3201 here in Royal Caribbean Cruise, Liberty of the Sea. And this is our room. Ocean view. And also a big king size bed, and that's my 2-year-old son. And they gave us a baby crib because they know we're traveling with a toddler, but I don't think Zega need it. This top over here, it would turn a bunk bed, and they have 2 bunk bed here. Oh Zega, are you playing with the light? And I'm gonna show you mini fridge, which is very good. And also, honey, stop playing with the lights. All their menu and all that stuff. We have 4 drawers and an additional drawer here. Please show them, Elise, what's in there. Here? Yes. Oh, yeah, that's a hair dryer. Oh, it's okay. I'll get later. And a big mirror here, which is, I really appreciate having a mirror. I could, like, you know, put my outfit of the day. And also, I mentioned earlier, there's a curtain here that you could have a privacy. Here, there's a curtain. Can you please open it, Elise? Yay!
Give me some privacy, please.
Okay. And also the closet.
I'm in
Here's the
jail.
closet. They have this safety deposit box. And they give you some shelves and also some hangers here.
Goodbye. Give me privacy.
Oh no, Elise! Okay. And now let's proceed to the bathroom. Okay, bathroom are, you know, over here in the cruise, they don't have much big bathroom. So they have this a little cubicle. It looks like a tube. And they give you a hair wash and body wash.
Body wash.
Normally I bring my own, but if you're okay with it, you could use it. And some towels. And I just wish that, oh yes, they could, yeah, you could put all your stuff here in the mirror in the bathroom. There's a shelf. And this one, no, they don't have one here on the other side. So only one side. And in the bottom, you want to sleep there? Guys, that's our room tour, and thank you for watching this video.
Yes!
And I can't
Ow,
wait
ow.
to show you our more adventure. Say goodbye.